Welcome to Kahoot! Today we'll guide you on how to reactivate an expired subscription. As displayed on the screen, the red banner and text indicate that our subscription has expired. Please note that once your subscription expires and you've used premium features in your created games, you might find that you can't edit those Kahoots. The question types marked with stars indicate that a subscription is required. To reactivate the subscription, simply click on Reactivate and you'll be directed to the relevant pricing page. Here, you can scroll down to compare features and select the plan that best suits your needs. Then, click on the Buy Now button. Before moving forward, take a moment to review your order summary. If everything is correct, click on the Buy Now option again, and your plan will begin to set up. Enjoy Kahooting!